Hey guys, welcome back to Dragon's Draft. I've got another unboxing today. I picked up another box of MetaZoo Nightfall. This is one of the spell books. The prices of the booster boxes are actually going up quite a lot. So, anyways, I was in the hobby shop, not too far from my place, and they have a bunch of these boxes. And really, actually buying these technically are cheaper right now. So if I wanted to get just as much, I guess, in terms of packs as you can get into one single booster box, buying 4 of these is way cheaper. So right now, with the current price. But anyways, I only bought one, so I may have to go back and get some more later on. And work toward finishing my set of Nightfall by buying spellbooks, I guess. Anyway, so inside you get, I thought they had a box. Yeah, they got some kind of a topper here. So you got a promo card. I think I have this one. They might be the same in all the boxes. Now I'm not entirely sure, but anyways, this is what you get inside the box. Now I've got a deck of auras. And we'll take out some of the booster packs as well. So take out these packs. Actually, you know what? Should show you what else is on here. So you get some sleeves and some tokens at the bottom. Oh yeah, a coin as well. So anyways, we're just going to put those aside. I'm sure that's pretty well known what you get inside these boxes. Put all these over here. And we're going to focus on the good stuff. So, I'm not doing my better way of opening these packages. Let's see here what we got inside. So, alright, so I'm just going to go through. And yeah, I'd only have one box of these. Well, actually one full booster box and one library that I've already opened, or spellbook. So I still need quite a bit. Now we got our first full haul of Thunderbird. I think I need this one. And we got Born from the Earth. It's regular rare, and we got some tokens. And we got some fourth wall places and some auras as well. Okay. So yeah, so as I was saying, basically this was like, this actually cost me $60 to buy. Yeah, and the boxes are starting to go well over 300. So if I could buy 4 boxes, I get 40 packs. Still ends up being way cheaper than buying a booster box. So got the T. Kettler reverse hollow. Put that down there. And then we got our Righteous Reckoning token, Desert, and Flame Aura. So I need to buy another booster box of Nightfall, or keep doing this actually as an alternative, buying the spell books. But I need to buy some more Wilderness. So I went ahead and I actually damaged a stack of my Flame cards by dropping them. So I like to get some replacements. I get the Wendigo, Tentacle, Forest Aura. Yeah, one night I was just moving all the cards together and they just fell. So all the Wilderness, minus the rares obviously, and the reverse hollows. Whoops. I just damaged a bunch of them. I mean, mind you, they're commons, but I want to put, or uncommons as well, but I want to put like mint cards in my set, so I'll have to buy some more. Anyways, we got our reverse hollow. Put that down here. Regular rare, and just put these aside. Should hold them like this so I don't preview the card, the rare card, or the holo in advance. Oh, abduction. Excellent. Don't have that version. I have the holo version, but not the regular version. So, okay, let's see. Okay, we got Dark Lightning Ore. Familiar Burning Brew. I believe I have that one already. Okay. A few more packs to go. I think in the first box, first spellbook I bought was actually pretty good for Nightfall. I think I got a Mothman in it. Bloodlust. Ooh. I don't have the reverse Grim Reaper. I think I have the regular one. And then I got another Oklahoma Octopus. Really like the artwork on this aura. If I build a sort of an alien deck, I could definitely use those. Or a mix between all the sets. Okay, I'm gonna do this better. Jack-o'-lantern. I still don't have Headless Horseman. I got a repeat of that one, and I got a repeat of this one from my other box. Okay, I got 2 more backpacks to go. And hopefully somebody can get that phone. Oh my god, I got 3 of the same one, and I think that's no good. You're not supposed to do that in one box. That's crazy. A little disappointing. That's what happens when you get some boxes where you get so much that you need, and then you run into a box where you get a lot of stuff that you already have. But not only that, you get multiples of the same one. I'd rather get like doubles of stuff I already had, but not 3 of the same one. All right, the Purple Blob of Philadelphia. I don't have this one, I believe. In reverse. And that should be it for the video. Hopefully you can't hear my wife talking too loudly in the background, but what can you do? Anyways, thanks a lot for checking out this one. Stay tuned for more MetaZoo, and have a fantastic evening.